Want to earn verified seller badge on Amazon and boost buyer trust? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get it. First, sign up for a professional selling plan in Seller Central. This unlocks Amazon's identity verification process and brand registry options. Next, complete your seller profile. Upload a high-resolution logo, detailed business information, and your trademark registration if you're brand registered. Go to Settings, then click on Account Info, then Business Information to fill out every field accurately. Then verify your identity and bank account. In Seller Central, navigate to Settings, tap Account Info, then Seller Verification. Provide your government ID, business license, and proof of bank account ownership. Amazon will review these documents. Approval can take up to 48 hours. Maintain top-tier performance metrics by keeping your order defect rate under 0.5%, shipping performance on time over 97%, and customer response time under 24 hours. Consistently meeting these standards shows Amazon you are a reliable seller. Once approved, your storefront will display the verified seller badge automatically. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.